Hi, in the last video, we have learned about Liferay MVC portlet and how to create Liferay MVC portlet. Today in this video, we will have a brief of Liferay theme and how to create theme using theme generator. In Liferay, a theme is essential, a setup of template, styles and configuration settings that define the visual appearance and layout of website or web applications. So first we talk about agenda. Agenda of this video is to learn about Liferay themes. First we will see introduction of Liferay themes. Moving forward, we will explore theme generator and prerequisites. Then we will shift our focus to the practical side, where we'll gain insight to the step-by-step process of creating the theme. So let's move on. What is theme? A Liferay theme is a comprehensive package containing pre-designed template, styles and elements, offering a comprehensive visual and functional framework for website design. Liferay theme play a pivotal role in content management system and website builder, providing users with versatile options to personalize their online preferences. By simplifying the website design and customization process, Liferay theme empowers users to create professional-looking website, essential leveraging a get-ready framework tailored to their needs. Now, I am talking about theme generator. Liferay theme generator is a tool provided by Liferay to simplify the process of creating, deploying, and managing theme for Liferay portal. Simplified the deployment of customization theme to digital interface. Involves pre-designed templates, styles and templates. Now let's discuss about prerequisites. To create a Liferay theme using the theme generator, we first need to download the necessary tools and follow these software. These software are Java, Liferay, Node.js, NPM, Yeoman, Gulp, and Theme Generator. So let's proceed to the practical part of creating a Liferay theme. So first open the file structure and navigate to the Liferay home directory. And go to the Tomcat bin directory and start the Liferay server. So my server is already started, so we will move on the next step. First we need to create a folder. Just go to the D drive and create a folder. I just create a folder Liferay theme and open it, and open the created folder in command mode. So I just open. So first we need to install Node.js. I have already installed Node.js. So first check the Node.js version using this command. Now you can see I have already installed Node.js. Now next install latest version of npm using this command. Npm install type G and click on enter. Wait until it get installed. After the install npm, check the npm version. So I'm checking the npm version using this command. Now you can see the npm latest version. Next, install the Yeoman using this command. So install G click on enter. Wait until it gets installed. After the install Yeoman, check the Yeoman version using this command. And select the get me out of here. You can check Yeoman is installed successfully. So move on next step. Next step is install the latest version of Gulp. So using this command and install your latest version Gulp. Wait until it get installed. After the install, check the version of Gulp. Using this command, you can check Gulp version. Now we need to install theme generator using this command npm install and click on enter. Wait until get installed. Now you can see your theme generator is successfully installed. So now create a Liferay theme using this command. Click enter. Wait until get open the Liferay theme generator. Now give the theme name. I just give a name, Liferay theme. And enter and give the theme name ID. Liferay theme and click on enter. Select the version of Liferay server. So I just create theme on Liferay 7.4 and after select Liferay versions and click on and write Y and wait until get installed Liferay theme and necessary files for Liferay theme. Now you can see it's installed Liferay theme and ask the server. So I just run on local environment. So select local app server and give the server path. So go to the file structure again and go to your Liferay home directory and go to the Tomcat. Copy this path and paste here. And enter the URL. By default URL this localhost 8080. Now your theme is created or not. Go to the folder again and check your library theme is created or not. So my library theme is created successfully. So just open it, and again I open this folder on CMD. After open your folder on CMD command prompt, just build and deploy your theme. So using this command, build your theme. And wait until get installed and build your theme. Your theme is built successfully, so move on next step, and using this command deploy your theme. Wait until get deploy your theme. After the deploy, now you can see your Liferay server log. So your Liferay theme is started successfully. So check on the Liferay portal. So go to the browser and hit the URL localhost 8080 and log in into the Liferay portal. Enter the login credentials and click on sign in. And go to the navigations menu and click on page and click on configuration pages. And scroll down and check the change current theme. Now you can see your Liferay theme app is created successfully. I hope this PPT and video are helpful. Thank you for watching the video.